If you like watching these videos, please do me a favor and hit subscribe, a like button, and subscribe. It is important. A lot of hours goes into the making of these films and showing them to you, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch them. All right, hello everybody. Once again, it's Adam with the Adam Show, and we are out here in beautiful Honda Valley. We're in a new area on the east side of it, and we're down here in a ravine. Wanted to get below the high wind up above. It is pretty neat, and the plan is to launch a drone, and I've got the dirt bike in the back of the truck. Got the Mavic Mini with me, and also above us, 70 feet up, 50 feet up, is a higher wind current, so I can feel it in here. And here it doesn't have quite the chill off the snow up on the mountains. There is still snow on the mountains. It is still winter time here. And so yeah, welcome to Honda Valley and this beautiful ravine. And we're gonna go ahead and get set up. The Holly Stone is not cooperating. It's up in the air. It's not a good day for the drones. They're not behaving correctly. It is windy. I have put in return to home, making its way back to the controller hopefully, and we'll see what happens. Batteries aren't working right. I hope it's recording while it's up there. I don't know. Good to be here. Welcome to the Adam Show. they're having a blast. There's nothing easy about it, and yet the socialization and the camaraderie is all there. You can hear it as they frustrate their ways through. There's 4 or 5 of them going up the native creek bed of boulders, trying not to tear up their 4-wheel drives, but at the same token having fun doing it.